Welcome to the Old Second Online Cash Manager demo. In this demo, we will review some of the more commonly used features of CashManager. Your commercial banking representative will add the CashManager tab to your O2 online banking page once you enroll for the service. This tab will always be available when you are in O2 online banking. CashManager has the following sub-tabs. ACH allows you to create and initiate ACH files. Wires is where you create and transmit wire payments. Positive Pay is a fraud prevention service to clear only checks you have authorized. Users allows you to control which members of your staff can access CashManager features. Reporting lets you generate at-a-glance activity reports for your operations or payroll. And File Status shows the real-time status of your CashManager activity. Let's take a look at the ACH tab. On the Batch List sub-tab, you will see any batches you have previously set up. A batch contains all of the account information for your transaction. For any batch, you can use the Options drop-down to view, download, edit, quick edit, copy, delete, or initiate. You may also use the Initiate Selected shortcut to initiate multiple selected batches at once. O2 CashManager also allows you to create a batch within the Batch List sub-tab. Just select the company for which you'd like to create a new batch. On the next screen, name your batch and fill in all required and optional fields. Next, you'll see the Add Record screen. If you would like to input multiple records at once, click the Add Multiple button, or you can fill in all required and optional fields for each record and click Quick Add to add this record to the batch or Submit to finish adding records. In the Upload sub-tab, you can upload a NACHA file type to appear in your batch list. The Tax Payment sub-tab lets you easily pay federal or state tax payments electronically. The Activity sub-tab shows a summary of recent batches initiated. Here you may select a date range or search for a specific ACH batch. The Search sub-tab allows you to search for specific records by various criteria. Old Second's CashManager allows you to make wire transfers from your account. Let's look at the Wire sub-tabs. The Transmit sub-tab is the default view that lets you quickly select wires to transmit. You can create and view wires for any Old Second bank account you have tied to the service. Just select the transfers you'd like to submit and click the Transmit Selected button. In the Edit Add sub-tab, you can create or edit new wires. Just select which account from which to create a new wire. Fill out the fields for your new wire. If this is to be a repetitive wire, check the Repetitive Wires checkbox. This will also make your new wire show up in your wire templates. When finished, click Submit. Your new wire will appear in your wires list. Within Wires, you will also see two additional sub-tabs. Transmit Templates allows you to transmit one of your wire templates, similar to the Transmit sub-tab and the Activity sub-tab, which shows you a history of wire transmissions. Positive Pay helps avoid check fraud. Your business will periodically upload a list of authorized checks issued. For each check received for payment, Positive Pay automatically compares account number, check number, issue date, and dollar amount against your business's uploaded list. Any discrepancies appear here in Positive Pay's Items sub-tab. Click the check number to view an image of a check. You will see a scan of the front and back of the check for your review. If you determine the check is valid, check the Pay box. If a check is suspicious, leave the box unchecked. Once you click Submit, only checked items will be processed for payment. Unchecked items will not be processed and will be removed from the items list. The Positive Pay Upload sub-tab is where you will upload your checklists. Choose the account from which the checks were drawn, such as payroll. Then select the type of file you want to upload to identify the field and position placement for your file. Choose your file and click Upload. In the Positive Pay Edit Upload Format sub-tab, you will specify the file layout format for your upload file. Once this layout is established, this format will be the default layout for uploaded files of this type. You can change your default file format in the Edit Upload Format sub-tab. For CSV files, specify the field locations for account number, item amount, and issue date in your file. You may also choose field locations for several optional fields as well. You can do the same for fixed position files. In the User sub-tab, you can set up specific users for cash management. You can edit existing users under the CM User List sub-tab. Let's take a quick look at setting up a new user in the new CM User sub-tab. To set up a new user, fill in the required fields, select a user name, user ID, and passwords. You'll also be able to choose additional options such as administrative rights, viewing rights, the option to hold a user, email, mobile, the option to select specific access times for a user, as well as other ACH rights and options. Click Submit to continue. The following screen will also let you select cache user settings and account access for each user. Click Submit to complete user setup. Under the Reporting sub-tab, you will see the option to view summaries for prior day and current day. These screens will show balances and hold amounts, float totals, and debits and credits. The File Status sub-tab will summarize any file you have submitted for upload, like ACH or Positive Pay, and include information such as related account, upload date, and upload status.